Welcome to the show how to check battery health information into Xiaomi 13 Lite. First of all, open your Play Store and then into search of our Play Store find Ampere application. This one needs downloading and installing, so wait a second for install. And now tap open. Now tap yes I agree, close and OK. And now need swipe on the right, and here on the second column on the top we got our health information. So our health battery is good. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.